purple tomato seedlings? Let's talk about it.
Purple tomato seedlings, especially when the underside of the leaves are purple, is caused by a phosphorus deficiency. So these plants need to be fed with fertilizer, right? No, not necessarily. Your soil mix can and probably does have phosphorus. However, it might not be available to your seedlings. My seed starting mix has the big three nutrients NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in it, along with soil life. My problem, and probably yours, if you have purple tomato seedlings, is not a lack of phosphorus, it is the growing conditions. Plain and simple, it's just too cold.
We've got some really nice warm days in the forecast. I think these tomato and cabbage seedlings are ready for the big world.
Welcome to your new home, you purple pukes. Tomato plants enjoy warm temperatures. They prefer temps of 75 to 80 degrees. My basement temperature is about 65 degrees, and I do use a seedling heat mat. However, for the past few years, my tomato seedlings have suffered from the purple funk. I started noticing this when I switched from the old fluorescent shop lights to the newer LED lights. So, instead of feeding these seedlings more phosphorus that they won't be able to uptake anyway, we need to change the conditions. The temperature.
The cabbage and tomato seedlings are going to stay out here for about 1 hour today, out in the sunshine. These onions are already hardened off. They can be out here all day. I have a video from earlier this season about hardening seedlings off. You can check it out right here.
The fastest and easiest way to warm these seedlings up is to get them outside in some real sunshine. Make sure that the daytime temperatures at a minimum are in the upper 60s to low 70s. If so, get those purple pukes outside. Only outside for an hour or two per day at first, then increase the sunbathing time an hour or so each day. Also, the seedlings will need to be brought inside in the evening. Just getting these seedlings outside in some real sunshine that can truly warm the soil and the plants will snap them out of the purples in about a week.
Good morning. It's day 2 for the purple tomato seedlings. They spent the night in the cold shed. It's going to be a beautiful day in the upper 70s. Let's get them outside in that natural sunlight. Here they are, getting some nice filtered light from the window. A little breezy and a little overcast. We're going to leave these tomatoes out for about an hour. Then we're going to put them in the shade. The seedlings have been out in the Colorado sunshine for about an hour and 45 minutes. This has been a perfect day for hardening seedlings off, but I'm starting to lose the clouds. I'm going to get them in the shade. The north side of the shop's nice and shady. We'll put those tomatoes and cabbage over here. That's it for day 2, back in the shed. And we'll do it all again tomorrow. We'll see how long that purple takes to go away. Day 3, running a bit late today. Let's get these purple tomato seedlings out in the Colorado sunshine. Day 4. They're growing. Still purple. That's sunburn. But look at this one. That's what they used to do under my grow light when they turn purple. The leaves curl up and they die. Here's a new leaf. Still a bit purple. 4 days isn't very long though. We'll see how they grow out of it. It's day 5 for my purple tomato seedlings. Got them on top of the Trailblazer today because the cattle are grazing the ranch yard. I'm going to move them into the shade. Day 6 for the purple tomato seedlings. I got them behind the shop. In the wind, but in the shade. I finally see some progress. Looks like they're growing out of that purple phosphorus deficiency. If you look right here, at that new leaf, the new growth. It's not as purple. There's a purple vein, but the leaf is green. Yesterday was 90 degrees. I think that's what's helping these purple tomato seedlings. Day 7, a little bit cooler today. I think these tomato seedlings are perking up. They're growing out of the purple blues. Just starting to look better. It's day 8 for the purple tomato seedlings. We've had some really nice warm days. Warm but windy. And a lot of this new growth is looking nice and green. It's day 9, and I'm calling these tomato seedlings cured from the purple funk. It's amazing what real sunshine and warmth can do for these plants. All the new growth is nice and green the way it should be. Some of the older leaves still have some purple, but they're all curing up. The cabbage also enjoyed the sunshine, really growing. And here's the onions. These were the first seeds we started way back in February. Thanks for hanging out for the 9 days that this video took. I hope to see you next time at the Windmill Garden.